What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you an incredibly easy copy-paste affiliate marketing strategy that you can use starting today to generate real legit income online. Now you can see on the screen right here, this is a screenshot of ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketplace where you can actually generate income. And as you follow me throughout this video, you're going to be able to apply this even if you're brand new online, you don't have any previous experience, and you can do this worldwide. Now, before I dive into this, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate marketing program to promote with this exact method, be sure to click the first link below in the description and check out that free overview video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so the very first step of this copy paste method is we need to find a product to promote. Now, if you already have a product or affiliate program that you're currently promoting, then just use this for this exact simple method. If you don't, you can go to JVZoo, you can go to Warrior Plus, or you can go to ClickBank, as you can see on the screen right here. Now, if you don't have a ClickBank account and you want to use ClickBank for this method, you just go to the website, click the blue button in the top right that says sign up, and then sign up. Now, once you're inside of ClickBank, you want to go to the top and go to Marketplace, and you can choose from many different categories. Okay, now for the topic of this video, let's go to health and fitness. Okay, so you click that in. Now, if you're finding a product on ClickBank specifically, you want to sort results by gravity. This is going to show you the top selling products at the top, and you can go ahead and just choose one of these. Okay, so for the sake of this video, let me go ahead and choose this one right here, Flat Belly Tonic. Okay, so I'll just click promote, and you can go ahead and get your hop link or your affiliate link. Okay, so let me copy that. So now that I have this, I want to put it in a notepad. And again, if you're using another affiliate program, that's totally fine, and you just want to save your affiliate link. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Google and we want to search Blogger. Okay, and we want to go to that first link here. Now this is going to take you to a website where, if you don't know what Blogger is, basically it's a site where you can create free articles online very easily. Okay, so all you have to do is create an account with Blogger for free and then click new post at the left. Now once you do that, you'll be able to put a title here, text, you can add images, and this is going to come in handy with this incredibly easy copy paste affiliate marketing strategy, as you'll see in a second. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to think about our product. Now again, like I said, for this product, this is a health and fitness product. Okay, so what I can do is I can think about this, and what we can do is we can actually open up the affiliate page. Okay, if you're doing it on ClickBank or JVZoo, often these have an affiliate page. Okay, so basically we can look at what this product actually is. Now for this example, it says that it's a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement. Okay, so I can take what it is, and I just want to go to Blogger and write a title, okay, that has to do with what the product actually is. So for example, with this, I can be like, discover right here, okay, discover the new amazing tonic to help you lose weight fast. Okay, so that's a good, you just want to put some good catchy title in there that has to do with the type of product you're promoting. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to write an article that has to do with the type of product that we're promoting. So for this example, it's losing weight. Now, before you freak out and think, oh, do I have to write articles all day? Not to worry, my friend, because like I said, this is a copy paste method, as you'll see as you continue to watch this entire step-by-step video. So what we want to do is we want to go to a site called 𝐸ZineArticles.com. Okay, I'll include a link directly below. Now, what you can do with 𝐸Zine Articles is really powerful. If we go to the site, we go to article categories. Okay, they have all these different niches. Now, what we want to do is we want to look for the niche that our product is in. Okay, so because the product that I'm promoting in this video is in health and fitness, I can just click that right there. Now it opens up even more detailed, even more subcategories that we can choose. And as you'll see in a second, this is incredibly powerful. Okay, so again, if you don't really see, exact thing, like the product that I'm promoting here is like flat belly. Okay, so I can kind of try to find, if it has anything like that. But I can also just go health and fitness again, and that will take us to articles. Okay, so what 𝐸Zine Articles is, it's free articles that you can actually use, okay, in this method. Now, don't worry about, oh, is it copyrighted? Oh, can I use this? Because you're not directly selling these articles as your own. And this method is only going to be like a couple weeks, and then you can do this for another article and another article. Okay, so you want to do many articles, but it literally takes just a few minutes, as you'll see. So we just want to open up one of these that's somewhat related. Okay, so essence of wellness, I mean, that's can be totally fine. And then what you can literally do is just take this, your mouse, if you're on a computer, just copy this, okay? Go back to your blogger article and literally just paste this in, okay? That's it, right? It's literally copy paste. Now we have an article, okay, with a title that's catchy, that has to do with the niche we're in, with an article that's valuable in the niche we're in, and we have the product. Now remember how I said save your affiliate link right here, okay, because this is going to come in handy. What we want to do is we're going to copy this, and we want to find, okay, a word or two that has to do with the product, okay? So for example, in this instance, it has to do again with losing weight. So if I could find something that it says like lose weight, okay, keeping healthy weight. So that's good, okay? Although keeping healthy weight. Okay, so keeping healthy weight has to do with losing weight. And I can actually go to the top, click this little paper clip, and I can paste in our affiliate link. And when I click apply, you can see that now this becomes clickable. Okay, now this actually becomes clickable. Now to make this look even better, I can go up here. I can change the font, okay, if I want. I can also do this, okay, so if I want, like there, that's going to remove that gray background. And, I can make this, bigger if I want to, font size, I can do normal, okay, just to make it look a little bit better. Now, what we want to do next, now that we have this, we want to click publish in the top right, okay, because this is going to publish our article. And now we want to go to the next step, okay, so we want to go up here and we want to find where we can actually view that article. Okay, so this is our article. Discover the new amazing tonic to help you lose weight fast. In this article, yada yada, right? It's exactly what we copied from here. Now, if they go to there and they click, although keeping healthy weight, boom, that's going to take them to our affiliate link. Okay, so I hope you're seeing how powerful this copy paste couple minute a day method actually is. So what we can do is we can go to the very top and we can copy the link to our article. Okay, and now we can paste that in the notepad because we're going to need this in a second. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get traffic, we want to get visitors to this article because that's going to get people to click this link, buy our affiliate product. So how do we do this? Well, you can find different online question and answer sites where you can give valuable answers and lead them to this article. So one of the best places is Quora. Now, you can create a free account on Quora.com very, very easily. And when you do that, you want to search Quora for the niche that your product is in. For example, in this one, health and fitness. What this is going to do, okay, is this is going to filter questions that real people have asked that have to do with that niche. Now, the reason this is powerful is because if we put an answer here and we lead to our article, we're going to get high quality traffic for months, if not years to come. Because when you answer well, which I'll share how to do in a second, you can get tons of massive traffic from Quora totally for free. Okay, so what is your approach to health and fitness? What is health and fitness? I mean, you can just literally open up one of these. Okay, so let me open this example. Now this has 31 answers. Okay, now what we would want to do is we can click here to answer. And we want to write an answer. Okay, now how do you write an answer? Well, what you can literally do is just go through and copy, okay, some of these sentences and paragraphs from other answers and just curate, okay, curate your answer through other people's answers. Okay, so again, it's still copy paste. You don't even have to do this work, blah, blah, blah. And I can take like one more. Okay, some of the things, some blah, blah, blah. If you want to spend just a few more minutes on this, I mean, you could read, make sure the answer makes sense. But just for the sake of this video, I will very quickly edit. Okay, boom, and then bam. Okay, so I'm pasting those answers in to my answer, right? And then at the very bottom of this answer, all I have to do is I created an article sharing way more info. Be sure to click here and read it to learn more. Okay, very simple. Now all we have to do, highlight this, click this paper clip, And now we go back to our notepad. We take that Blogger article link that we created. We just paste it in the URL. We hit add. Okay, so now it's clickable. And we just post. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then what happens is people will see this answer. They'll click here. It's going to go to this Blogger article. They'll read the article. They'll click here. And then they'll decide to buy because this has a high gravity score, especially if you're using ClickBank, okay? Or you want to make sure you're using a high converting affiliate product or program that you're promoting. And there we have it, my friend. If you like this method, click like below. I have tons more methods I can share with you. Subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 autopilot affiliate program to literally make up to $2,000 commissions while you're sleeping, be sure to click the first link below. Check out that overview video where you can find out much more information. And I really think the proof and the simple steps that it reveals is going to blow your mind. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.